Hello there, cooperators of YouTube. How the devil are you doing? Cooler King checking in. Just doing a quick pocket dump video for the EDC Cooperative. If you don't know who they are, check them out on Facebook and Instagram. If you're into anything EDC, check them out. So, might as well start straight away. Left hand rear pocket, I've got a Park Supply American Civil War Hank. Same pocket, left rear, got a titanium Big Idea Design Pocket Pro pen, which is in their black DLC coating. I've also got a Amsler Hurricane in black Cerakote from Amsler knives. That's everything in that pocket. Right hand rear pocket, we've got the Keybar Spollinger Designs lantern and the Derek Lee knives blade insert. Front left pocket, this is new to me, Recycle Firefighter wallet. Second time I've used it, quite like it. Same pocket, front left, is a modified Swiss Army knife. You can just about make out maybe the blade, and a light acid wash. Front right hand pocket, the Army Tech Tiara C1 Pro. It's a good little light, it's got a magnet in its base, quite bright. Nice little light. And last but not least, Big Idea Design titanium pocket tool, but one of only two in existence that's in their black DLC coating as well. I'm lucky enough to have that. That's about it. If you've got any questions about anything that you see here or about the EDC Cooperative, just put a question down below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us, there'll be plenty more videos, not just pocket dumps. Yeah, thanks for watching, see you later.